खंडणी कोणाकडे मागता ताचे नाव आमदार मायकल लोबोन स्पष्ट करचे। बेश्टेच खंडणी सुरू आसा अशी अर्दकुटी विधानां करची न्हय अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमावान म्हटलां। सध्या खंडणी प्रकरण सुरू आसा अशें काँग्रेसीक लेगीत दिसता। ह्या विशीं येता त्या विधानसभा अधिवेशनात सरकाराक धारेर धरून खरें कितें आसा तें लोकां मुखार हाडटले अशें युरीन म्हटलां। सरकाराचे प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी हो उपक्रम लेगीत सामको अपयशी थारला अशें लेगीत युरीनूच म्हटलां।
Without people being hand in glove, such cannot, these allegations like this cannot, Michael Lobo should name. He made a statement, but he should completely name the people. And if CM feels that it is, he's yesterday made a statement that the signatures are wrong and whatever, but this is a very serious allegation. We will raise it in the house as well. We ask for a clarification, but first Michael Lobo should name the person. We have an assembly session now on the 27th, and we request, all of us, all the opposition MLAs, we will raise this issue. These cases of extortion can only happen when there are officers and bureaucrats and all politicians involved. And I request to the people that they should name these people. Just don't make allegations and name the people if you are aware of it. Yesterday, काल तेंगेलो एक प्रोग्राम जालो प्रशासन तुमच्या दारी म्हणून आणि थिंगा लोकांक म्हाका दिसता इट वॉज अ बिग फेलियर दिस स्टेप ऑफ दिस गव्हर्नमेंट टू गो टुवर्ड्स द पीपल बेसिकली एक्सपोज्ड दिस टोटल कोलॅप्स ऑफ देयर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. These are only public stunts because of the Lok Sabha elections. They are coming to fool the people. We will be very aggressively taking them head on. There are several issues.